Hey there, welcome back to LiveChat University. In today's lesson, we'll explore the Engage section and discuss traffic, campaigns, pre-chat and post-chat surveys, and where to find and leverage the direct chat link and goals. Let's dive in. Let's start off with the traffic section, which you'll find under Engage and Traffic. Let's break it down. The traffic section is a real-time snapshot of everyone browsing your website. It shows who's on your site, which pages they view, and how long they've been there. It's essentially your live visitor dashboard. I'd like you to think of the traffic section as your go-to control center for engagement. Here's what you can do. Gather visitor insights. You'll see details like location, email, device type, how many times they visited or chatted, and which agent group they're assigned to. This detailed data can help you tailor offers like sharing a discount code or highlighting product features based on each visitor's browsing behavior. Filter and segment. If you want to search for visitors who have been on a specific page for more than 5 minutes or visited your website at least 3 times and are, let's say, from a certain country, no problem. You can apply filters and save them as segments for quick access later. Segments let you quickly find specific groups of visitors so that you're not wasting time going through random data. Manual invites. If you spot a hesitant visitor, invite them to chat directly. You can send a standard welcome message or personalize it for a higher response rate. Chat supervision. You can also monitor ongoing chats in secret. This is great for training new agents or offering discreet support to a teammate. Your suggestions appear only to the agent and are invisible to the customer. Supervising chats is also great for coaching agents on the spot. So, having this live snapshot of your website traffic means you can respond faster, engage smarter, and be more proactive by intervening and assisting customers exactly when they need help. This all leads to more conversions and happier customers. Now, that's the traffic section in a nutshell. Next, we'll check out campaigns, where you can further automate and optimize your engagement. Campaigns are an online version of approaching a customer in a physical store. They are automated messages that are displayed to your customers every time they meet the conditions you set up. They are highly customizable and can serve various purposes, from promoting new products and sharing announcements to offering discounts and assisting visitors. See, campaigns are categorized in 2 types. We have recurring campaigns, which remain active until turned off, and one-time campaigns, which display a single message to each visitor within a specified time frame. Setting up a campaign is simple. Right, so we want to go and navigate to Engage, then we want to go to Campaigns. And under recurring or one-time campaign, we want to click on Add New Campaign. We want to choose the campaign that will fit our goal. So I'm just going to go with something simple for the purpose of the video. And here we can actually customize the message, we can customize the text, we can even play around with the buttons. So for example, open URL or copy coupon, right? We have a lot we can do here. I'm going to leave everything as is and click on Set Conditions. So here we can play around with our conditions. We can choose who will receive the campaign, time on pages more than how many seconds, current page URL, and we can even add conditions like customer's location, customer's browsing time, etc., etc. So I'm actually going to go with customer's location, and I'll change this one to customer's browsing time. So here I'll do 10 seconds. And for customer's location, I'll write the United States. And click on Save Campaign. Let's give it a name. Set campaign live, click Save. And your campaign should be up and running. Right, let's go ahead to the chat page link, where you'll see other ways to invite your visitors to chat than your site. The chat page link is an effortless way to extend your live chat availability beyond your website. This feature provides a direct link or QR code that customers can use to start a chat with you on a special page, regardless of where they're coming from. It's basically a shortcut to contacting your team. It's simple to set up and works right out of the box, requiring no technical skills or coding. You can find your chat page link and QR code under Settings and Chat Page. By placing your chat link on social media or embedding your QR code in promotional materials, you make it incredibly easy for customers to connect with your business. Whether someone scans a code on a banner or clicks a link in a post, they can instantly start a conversation with your team. So let's go back in time a bit and look at what happens when a customer clicks on a campaign or starts a chat with you. A pre-chat form appears. The pre-chat survey is a tool for gathering essential information about your visitors before they begin a chat. It helps streamline conversations by collecting details like name, email, or even customer preferences up front. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that need to route chats to specific teams or agents based on visitor input. For instance, you could ask visitors to select a department or ask them to agree to data processing terms before starting a chat. Customizing the survey is straightforward. So we want to go to Settings. We want to find Forms and click on Pre-Chat Form. Now we want to make sure that the pre-chat form is actually turned on and that we do have the correct group chosen. Now here we have basic elements by default. You can adjust the fields to suit your needs. You can add or remove elements as you please, right? And you'll also notice that a few of the fields are set as required. Now today I want to show you how to prepare the pre-chat form to collect insights for marketing purposes. So for that, we're going to go with Add Element. We're going to select multiple choice. Since we're going with insights for marketing purposes, I'll go with how did you hear about us? For choice 1, we'll go with Instagram. And for choice 2, we'll go with LinkedIn. Of course, you do want to have this toggle turned on, which means show pre-chat form after campaign. Then all that's left to do is click on Save Changes. After a visitor fills out a pre-chat survey, their information is displayed in customer details within their chat for easy access. Of course, we also have a post-chat form available for you to use. It's an excellent tool for collecting feedback after a chat is finished. This survey allows you to identify areas for improvement and celebrate what you're doing right. You can ask simple rating-based questions or dive deeper with open-ended prompts like, how can we improve our service? Or what did you love about your experience with us? See, post-chat surveys are highly customizable, ensuring you gather the insights most relevant to your business. Including a mix of optional questions ensures customers feel comfortable sharing their thoughts without feeling overwhelmed. Goals in LiveChat allow you to track key outcomes from customer interactions. Whether it's a completed purchase, a newsletter sign-up, or a lead conversion, goals give you measurable insights into how well your chat efforts are working. For example, you can set up a goal to monitor how many visitors who start a chat end up on a specific page, such as a checkout page or a product sign-up form. Let me show you how to do that. Go to Engage, go to Goals, click on Add New Goal. Here we'll go with Start from Scratch. Now open up the drop-down here and choose if the goal should track an exact page or any page containing a specific part of the URL. So we'll go with Is Exactly. We'll paste our landing page, and we'll give our goal a name. And create goal. By analyzing goal performance, you can fine-tune your strategies and maximize the impact of your customer interactions. Right, that's all for today. I know the Engage section is a lot to take on at once. The features are jam-packed with so many various options to make your customer service the best it can possibly be. So definitely leverage them to your advantage. Click that bell icon so that you don't miss an update when the next lesson comes out. Take care and see you soon.